Running to the bag, running to the bag, running to the I can never slay. And I get the cash, yeah, I get the cash.
What's up, gang? It's your girl Tatiana, and I'm back at it again with the white Vans. Back at it again with another video, and today I'm dropping banger after banger after banger after banger. I think I'm gonna upload 4 videos today, so you guys stay tuned and go ahead and venture out to my other videos after you're done with this one. So let's get started. So today we're going to do a wholesale order, and it's going to be the lady ordered 15 pink print and 15 Dior. So, and if you want to start a lip gloss business, hit me up because I got the best lip gloss, y'all. Look at it. This is Dior. It's really pretty, peppermint scented, really pretty, really shiny on the lips. I have Dior on right now, you know, making lips popping. I don't even have a lot on, y'all. Like, it's just my lip gloss just like that. But yeah, Dior. Net in here with them. It's a net in here. But get out of here. But yeah, anyway, Dior, really pretty, really pretty on the lips, as you can see on my lips. And she ordered 15 Dior and 15 pink print. Pink print is really pretty. Smells like strawberry. Really pretty on the lips as well. Has a little pink tint in it, but so it make your lips look pink. So we're gonna do this right now. I already put the pink print in my box, and these boxes are giving me life. This is a cupcake box. That's my little secret between me and you. This is a cupcake box. Came with the holders and everything. Cupcake box, right from Walmart. It was like $2 for 4 of them. But yeah, cupcake box. Get you a cupcake box. Cupcake box, really pretty. Got the lip gloss in there already. That is pink print. I really don't do them any kind of way because this is my second order that I'm shipping out today. I don't do them any kind of way. Just put them out at the bottom, and then I'm gonna get the Dior. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excuse me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright, as you can see, I just put them in there so they'll be separated. As you can see, the pink print on the bottom and the Dior is on the top. It's really pretty. I love how I do them. And next, I would just get an envelope and a thank you card. Thank you card. I bought these from like Walmart. They're really pretty. Hallmark. And I write my message in there. And I think personal messages are way better than having a message already written out for you, because it's personal to the customer, which means they'll come back or they'll tell people about you. So go ahead and get that. Period. But yeah, I also do this. I write my message. I do my business cards. I don't know if you can see, but front and back business cards, and I do a thank you card with a 10% off for my website. It says thank you so much, and I just put all those in there together with the envelope, just to show that I appreciate the customer, making them feel like I'm so sweet and I love them and I appreciate them, which I do. So go ahead and make sure all of this is good and checked. I lick it and I put it in the box as so, as you can see right there. Really pretty. And I also do like a free lip scrub so they can definitely check these lip scrubs out on my website as well. So let's just see. Oh, it's like vanilla. But yeah, put that one in there as well, and I close it up. And I don't have any printed out yet, but I'm gonna have like my logo sticker right here on the top. I'm just gonna show you guys a quick sample. And this is my pastry business that I have, and it's called Bougie Bakes Co. And I'm gonna show you a picture of like how the sticker looks right here, so you know, I just got these sticker paper from Walmart, and I just printed out the logos on there. I did the thing on A-Read and I printed out the logos like that, and it's really cool, really cheap. You don't have to pay for no sticker for like for Avery or what is it called? What else is it called? But yeah, I forgot what the website is called, but definitely need to do that. Sticker right here. If I do it before I post these videos, I'll definitely put a video clip in this video. But yeah, guys, that's it. It's really pretty, really lightweight. It's not heavy or anything. I love how I do these because I brought a lot of these cupcake boxes. I brought a lot because of my cupcake business and my pastry business, and I just like, I didn't really think about doing it for my wholesale, but I'm definitely going to keep doing this my wholesale, and I'm going to show you guys the little thing when I print them out. And guys, that'll be all. Go ahead and check out my next video, and go ahead and like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Thumbnail. Hold on. Take this thing up. So you can see the glosses.